Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing and hands-on with the new Amazfit Smart Band, the Amazfit Core, which is a fitness tracker. Along with that, it also acts as a smartwatch. So we have Amazfit Core with us, and we're going to do the unboxing of this device. We'll show you how to connect this to the app and what all the details it shows. So Amazfit has launched a couple of smartwatches a couple of months back in India. They are officially available in India right now. So this is the Amazfit Core Smart Band available. So this is the box pack. It is quite a small box pack. You can see Amazfit Core mentioned, and this is the black variant, and the model number and other details are mentioned here. And it supports Bluetooth 4.0 and more, and Android 4.4 plus, and iOS 9, and that's support. It has water resistance rating included 50 meter or 164 feet is the maximum water resistance, and this is from Amazfit, and this is made in China. So you can see that the box packing mentioned the price as 4,999, that's 5k is the pricing. We are not really sure about the official pricing because at the time of unboxing this video we don't know the official pricing of the Amazfit Core. So let's just open the box and see the product, and then we'll also show you the features this brings in. So opening up, you can see the beautiful Amazfit Core. So just taking this out of the case. So there you go. So let's just take this out. So there you go, that's the Amazfit Core. So you can see that the build quality is superior. It feels really nice and well built smart smart band, or you can even call it as a smartwatch. And this is the heart rate sensor. The model number is mentioned here, and you can actually remove the bands on this, so you can even change it whenever you need, and looks really good in terms of the build quality. So that's the Amazfit Core Smart Band, and let's see what else comes inside. So you can see the user guide is included here. So that's the user guide, packaging details, and how to connect it is also included here. So the specifications include, you can see 5 volt is the input voltage, the input current is 300 mAh, maximum battery capacity is 170 mAh, and this also has Bluetooth 4.0 and water resistance up to 50 meter. So that's the technical specifications. You can download the Mi Fit app. So you can see that there is mention of Mi Fit app. So this device syncs with the Mi Fit app for all the details. So Mi Fit we already seen on the Mi Band. So we can also use the same app for connecting the Amazfit Core to the Android smartwatch or iOS. So these are some of the options available, and we'll just show you how to connect this and how to use the smart band. So this is a fitness tracker and a smartwatch. So you can see this is a cable for charging. So let's just see. So this is a different kind of proprietary charging mechanism. So there you go, you can see that there is a 2 points to charge this. So this is how you charge the smart band. So there you go, that's how you charge it, and this is standard USB cable. You can plug it to any other charging slot. So now we have booted the smart band, and we'll just show you all the options. So you can see this is the basic option. It will show all the necessary information including steps, time, temperature, and the weather information is shown. So what you can do is you can just swipe to the top and get the different icons. So first is the status. So just clicking the status, you get the steps, heart rate, and the distance covered, and the calories burned. So that is included. Then you can see the notifications. So whatever notifications you get on your smartphone can be made available here. And then you also have the option to enable exercise mode, wherein you can do some exercise and calculate the calories burned here. Then we have the weather information, and then you have Alipay option, which is not relevant to India. Then we have alarms. We can set the timer. Then going to the settings, you can see there is an option to change the watch face. So selecting this, you can see there are different watch faces available here, and you can customize it. For example, this one you have different colors available. So this is kind of pretty useful if you want to customize the smart the band face. So a couple of interesting ones are there, and you can also do a bit of customization with additional options from the app as well, so that is also included here. So that's the options for customization, and that's the settings. And let's go back to the settings once again. So here we have the lock screen, find phone, brightness option, you can increase or decrease the brightness. Then you have the restart and reset options are included. So that's the options included in the device. So now we have paired it with the Mi Fit app. So we already know the Mi Fit app. So this is the Mi Fit app. So we have just connected it to the Mi Fit app. So you can see all the steps counted, and the sleep data, the heart rate sensing data is there, and all the goals can be set. So we're not going in depth into these features because these are self-explanatory. We have this running mode. So going to the profile, you can see the Amazfit Core which is connected, and we have this unlock screen option which will unlock the phone with the band. Then incoming call alert can be set, so that's quite useful. That's quite handy actually. App alerts can be set. You can see the apps which you want to access from the screen. You can select the apps, manage the apps, and get the notifications. Then other options, you can select the wrist you're wearing, then heart rate detection, ringtones, and all the things can be set here. So it will also show the battery available in the device. So this Mi Fit app is quite a handy app. It comes with a lot of additional features included, so you can customize the band and get all the details with the Mi Fit app. So that was unboxing and hands-on with Amazfit Core, the smart band which is announced by Amazfit in India. So as of now, we don't really know the pricing of this band as of now, but it's really feature-rich band with a lot of additional features, and the display is actually really good. You can see the touch response is smooth, and the display colors are also quite good. When we reviewed the first version of smartwatch on this channel, we mentioned that the display quality was not that great, but here you can see that the display quality and the viewing angles are also quite good. So that's something pretty good on this smart band. So once we get hold of the pricing, we'll update it in the comment section. So that was unboxing and hands-on with Amazfit Core. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.